Good morning, welcome to Yarde Metals. My name is Pete Motta. I am the first shift operator on the plasma arc cutting machine. It's a 1000 amp. This machine will cut up to 1/8 to 4 inches of steel, carbon steel, aluminum, brass, and copper. Today I'm cutting 1.5 inch 303 stainless steel. This plasma takes SDP files. That's just a basic setup for our nozzles. We have 4 basic nozzles for this machine, and that's how we get our kerf. So what I'm doing now is running the laser down along the side of my plate to line it up. Yeah, it's all set where it is. Just line it up on the edge of the plate. Depending on the thickness of the material, anything that's 1.25 inches and above, we burn out of the water. You get a better finish on it, a better product for the customers. Anything below 1.25 inches, 1/8 inch and up to that, we burn below the water. This water table is 240 by 96. To handle a plate that size. We go to our files, it's called our shape library. We have various shapes, circles, ODIDs, triangles, you name it. If we can't find it in our shape library, we can always do it on the CAD machine. I'm curious some of the stuff we cut, what it could be when, what a final product, particularly those pie cut we have in the box behind you. I'm curious what they make out of those. We do between 600–700 of them a month or so. Our 4 basic nozzles that we use for cutting 1/8 to 4 inches of steel are right here in front of you. You see each nozzle has a different size hole, the orifice in the center. This is what is taken away when we cut the material. We have to allow for our kerf and add that to our piece. We're losing, every cut is different. You change your nozzle for the thicker material, you lose 1/4 inch. If you drop down to the smaller material, you lose like 1/8 inch. That camera. You get a nice finish out of the water. See, it's a pretty smooth finish, not many burrs. This is one of our larger nozzles. So it takes out approximately 0.2 tenths, almost 1/4 inch on the kerf. We have to allow for that on our cut. Beautiful. 1/4 inch over, that's what we're looking for. The advantage with the plasma is you get a nice edge, with less machining. One of the disadvantages is the hardness of the steel after you plasma cut the edge. But the machine is a lot faster than if you're trying to cut with a hand torch. It's one equivalent thing, which is good for us. We can get the product out faster.